October 17 is very special because it's exactly our 5th anniversary and our first day of being officially husband and wife. Congratulations to us. We finally ticked up one of our bucket list to be married in front of our family and friends, in front of the people we love.
Lorraine, gusto ko sanang simulan sa isang simpleng thank you. Sa dinami-dami ng tao sa mundo, hindi ko lubos akalain na babalik pa rin pala talaga ako dun sa taong una kong minahal noon.
Ano? Ang pogi mo. Uy, umiyak ka na agad. Ito yung tissue. Tissue. Ang ganda mo. Pangarap natin. Wedding. Ang pogi mo din. Uy, wala pa. Ano yung ano natin? Pangarap na. All glory and honor to God for giving us this beautiful day. And during our seminar, part of the introduction ay sabihin kung bakit ikaw na. I mentioned jokingly dahil ikaw ang papa ni Jayden. But the truth is, you were more than that. You were a man of action. Kapag sinabi mong gagawin mo, ay gagawin mo talaga.
Pag-aasawa, ito ay panghabang buhay na pagsasama. At sabi ng Panginoon, iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang mga magulang, sasama siya sa kanyang asawang babae at silang dalawa ay magiging isa. They become one flesh. Walang perfect na marriage. Magiging perfect lang ang marriage kapag nandyan si God. Cecil Lorraine Flores Orana Apena, tinatanong kita, tinatanggap mo ba ang lalaking ito na si Jose Ricky Tolentino Tablit upang maging asawa, upang makasama sa hirap at ginhawa, sa sakit at kalusugan, at tanging kay Jose Ricky ka lamang sasama habang kayong dalawa'y nabubuhay? Tinatanggap mo ba?
Tinatanggap ko po.
Took a picture the night we met, while the light turned to night in the fall. Caught off guard by a silhouette, night that I won't forget. Wanna remember it all. Everyone was aware of it. All at once everything was in view. Spinning round in a faded dress, room full of party guests. Everyone was looking at you. And is it really any wonder that there was never any other love?
Hi, Shay! Next, kay Robby!
And is it really any wonder that there was never any other?
Marami nakakilalang tao sa'yo na friendly, outgoing, wala post sa social media, pero isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko sa'yo na hindi alam ng karamihan kung paano mo ako nilapit kay God.
Looking back on the night we met, when the moon turned to light in the dawn.
You support me in everything. You always want me to be happy. You're God's gifts to me, and I'll always be thankful. Your kind heart, endless patience, and all are always something I feel I don't deserve. but you selflessly give to me every day.
And is it really any wonder that there was never any other
Hindi ko man kayang ibigay ang lahat ng mga bagay sa mundo, pero ibibigay ko sa iyo ang buong ako, araw-araw, buong puso, habang
And is it really any wonder that there was never any And is it really any wonder that there was never any
Alam ko, umpisa pa lang to, madami pa tayo pagdadaanan, pag-aawayan, tampuhan, mga bagay sa future. But I surrender it all to God. Our plans, our worries, our family, our finances, our dreams, dahil siya lang ang tanging nakakaalam ng lahat.